IEC Chair Tlakula has confirmed that she will lodge an appeal in the Constitutional Court against an electoral court judgment recommended that she be removed from office. In a written ruling yesterday, the electoral court found that Tlakula had compromised the integrity and independence of the Commission when dealing with a lease agreement for IEC offices in 2009.
5 opposition parties took Tlakula to court after damning reports were released by the Public Protector and the Treasury. Tlakula now plans to ask President Jacob Zuma for a leave of absence while the appeal process is underway. In a statement, the IEC says it will await the outcome of the process.
Well, there's been some reaction to that particular story via the social network Twitter. Let's take a look at what some of you have been saying. Eric begins by saying, Tlakula asking for leave from the President to refer her matter to the Constitutional Court, and I guess it's still on our expense.
Lukona tweeting, saying with whose resources is Tlakula fighting her legal battles. Lwazi tweeting, saying Tlakula's biggest headache is that Holomisa is very wrong on corruption busting.
Jules says that, of course, she wants to appeal. She had a nice ride on us in the public. And Sia says, waste of fiscus cash. She must accept it. These leaders...
Bonolo tweeting, saying the honourable thing that Tlakula can now do is resign, follow Opa Mahashule's example.
Well, thank you very much for sharing your thoughts with us. Don't forget our Twitter handle is @SABC News on